In the next few minutes, you'll learn about a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we store and transfer value online. You will also come away with a clear understanding of how it works. The blockchain technology is a decentralized and transparent digital ledger that records transactions, making them immutable and secure. It operates through a distributed network of computers that work together to validate transactions and create new blocks in the chain. The use of the blockchain technology has gained popularity due to its ability to provide a high level of security, transparency, and efficiency. The decentralized nature of the blockchain makes it almost impossible for any one individual or entity to manipulate the system, as changes to the blockchain requires a consensus among all participants in the network. This feature makes the blockchain highly resistant to fraud and hacking attempts. To give you a better idea of how it works, imagine you have a notebook where you like to write down important information. You want to make sure that no one can change what you wrote or add fake things to it. You can try to lock your notebook or hide it, but people can still find it or break it. Now imagine you have a special notebook that has magic powers. Every time you write something down, it creates a copy of your notebook and sends it to your friends. They also have magic notebooks that can do the same thing. This way, everyone can have a copy of your notebook and they can all check to make sure nothing has been changed or added. This is how a blockchain works. It's like a chain of notebooks, where each notebook is a block. When someone adds new information to the block, it gets added to the most recent block, and a new block is created to continue the chain. The new block has a special code that helps link it to the previous block. This makes it very difficult for anyone to change or add fake information to the blockchain without everyone else noticing. In addition to providing enhanced security, the blockchain also has the potential to improve a wide range of industries, from finance to healthcare. In the finance industry, the blockchain technology can be used to increase the speed and efficiency of transactions, reduce costs, and minimize the risk of errors or fraud. In healthcare, the blockchain can be used to securely store and share patient data, improving the accuracy of diagnosis and treatment plans. However, despite its many benefits, the blockchain is not without its limitations. For example, the technology is still in its infancy, and there are many technical and regulatory challenges that needs to be overcome before it can be widely adopted. Furthermore, the blockchain is not a silver bullet for all problems and use cases. There are situations where other technologies or solutions may be more appropriate. In conclusion, the blockchain is a promising technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries. Its decentralized and transparent nature provides enhanced security, efficiency, and transparency, making it an attractive option for businesses and individuals alike. However, it is important to recognize that the blockchain is still in its early stages of development and there are challenges that needs to be overcome. Only time will tell if the blockchain will live up to its potential and become a ubiquitous technology in the years to come. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the blockchain. Your interest in this technology is a testament of your curiosity and open-mindedness, and I hope you continue to explore this exciting space. And as always, like and subscribe and comment down below what topic you are interested in at the moment, and see you on the next video.